Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to turn on auto-download for documents in WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful if you want your documents to download automatically, saving you time and effort. Let's dive into the steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code using your mobile device to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen. Next, look towards the left side of the interface. You'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Now, within the settings menu, find and select the option labeled Chats. This is where you can manage various chat-related preferences. Under this section, locate Media Auto Download and click on it to access the download settings. Once inside the Media Auto Download settings, you'll see several options for different types of media. Look for the checkbox next to Documents. To enable auto download for documents, simply check this box. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned on auto download for documents in WhatsApp Web. From now on, any documents sent to you will be downloaded automatically, making them readily available whenever you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching.